Okay, same exact process going on here. I'm going to put my 5.5 feet in for my h naught, my initial height, and then I'm going to put my 1.59 seconds in for t in both places. The height after 1.59 seconds is going to be 0 because it hit the ground right there. So we're going to set up the equation that says 0 equals negative 16, 1.59 squared, plus v naught is what we're trying to solve for, times the time it took, 1.59, plus my initial height, which was 5.5. Okay, so I have to solve for v naught. I'm going to do this whole thing first. And when I did that, I got negative 40.4496. Plus, I'm going to rewrite this as 1.59 v naught because I'm more comfortable with the variable being second. Doesn't change anything about how I do this problem. And then plus 5.5. Again, the like terms are this one, are this one and this one. So I can rewrite 0 equals negative 34.9499. Excuse me, it should be 9.9. This should be a 6. Sorry about that. Okay. Plus 1.59 v naught. Then I need to add 34.9496 to both sides. And I get 34.9496 equals 1.59 v naught. Divide both sides by 1.59. And I get v naught is equal to 21.98 feet per second. Okay, so now, again, I'm going to rewrite this whole thing with the numbers that I know, and then I'm going to use my vertex process to figure out the maximum height of the function. So h of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 21.98 t plus 5.5. And again, I'm going to do negative b over 2a, h of negative b over 2a. So here goes. Negative 21.98 over 2 times negative 16. And that is 0.686875. Then I'm going to take that and put it back in for t here and here. Rewrite. And then plus 5 at the end. And so then my final answer is 12.55 feet. So after 0.686875 of a second, the ball went 12.5 feet in the air. The maximum height of the ball is 12.5 feet in the air. So if we kind of graph this, this parabola is going to look like this. This point right here is the point where it hits the ground, which was 1.59 seconds. So this is the point, 1.590. This is the point, 0, 5.5, and this is the point 0.686875, 12.55. Okay, so what this says is at this time, the ball is this high. That's the maximum height of the ball. Again, this is the vertex of the function h of t.